Okay, so you're asking yourself, what do copywriters do? The thing is, it depends what kind of copywriter you are. And in this video, we're going to talk about it. But keep in mind, you have a lot of different type of copywriter. You have copywriters just write advertising. You have copywriter just write content for websites. And you have copywriter just write email. Those kind of stuff. So you have a lot of different type of copywriter. And the thing is, which one do you want to be? That's the question that you need to ask yourself. It's not like there's one that's the best or one that earns a lot. No, it doesn't work like that. What you need to keep in mind is when you do something, you need to figure out, okay, is it fun to do? And can I do it? Because thinking about what you're going to write down is going to take a time. And if you have passion for something, it's going to help you much more. So what do they do? Most times just write, type. And you can create like advertising, the content for it, or you can write a manual or guides for people. Let's say someone create an app or someone create an software. You need to write out how it works and what people need to do in different kind of situation or frequent asked question. You can write all those things. Those are works of copywriter. And the thing is, it's going to cost a lot of time. Sometimes company will be like, hey, I will hire you as a freelancer, or company will be like, hey, I will hire you as an employee. What's the difference? I'll explain in another video. If you want to know more about it, just go on Discord and ask me a question about it. But technically, copywriter can be a lot of things. And for you, if you really want to know what you want to do, is just look at things online, see what would you like to do. Would you like to write marketing materials? Would you like to write guides? If you play a certain kind of games and you like to write guides for it, why not? That's technically how you need to see it. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe right now. Subscribe. I hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next one.